Welcome to the Menumium step-by-step tutorial series. In today's session, we'll learn all about the Menumium employee management system. Before starting this setup, make sure you've already completed the business setup and food setup, as these are the mandatory first steps. For setting up employee and role, click on User Management and you will find Employee and Role Setup. In this setup, you will find two options. One is the employee list, and the one is employee role setup. Before you invite any employee for a role, you need to set the employee's role first. So, create a role for the employee by clicking on Create New Role. Set the role name and select the module. Also, you can select which access and actions you want to give for that role. Click on the Create button, and you have successfully created a role. Now let's invite an employee for that role you have just created. Go to the employee list and click on Invite Employee. Enter the employee's name, select their role and branch, then click Send Invitation. An email will be sent to the employee, and you'll also be able to see the validity period of that invitation. Now, let's see how an employee can log in from this invitation. When the employee receives the email, they'll find the invitation details along with a button to log in to the system. After clicking on the Login button, the employee will see a form with their basic information for joining as an employee. They'll need to provide their name, phone number, address, and an image. After continuing, they'll get an option to upload either a passport, NID, or driving license number and image. This step is optional, so they can skip it if they want. Once completed, the employee is successfully registered in the system. Once registered, the employee will have access to their employee profile. From here, they can view their details and log history, as well as edit their profile information and documents. Now let's go back to your dashboard to see what you'll find there. In the employee list, you can see the newly added employee. By clicking on the I button, you can get a quick view of that specific employee. And from the three-dot menu, you'll find more options such as View Details, Edit Employee, Edit Access, and Delete. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Menumium support. Happy serving!